What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig in her winter outfit. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the eyes. We're going to start right in the middle with a circle, starting from the very top in the center, going all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Now let's move over towards the right and up and draw that same size circle, going all the way around, and then up. In the center of each eye, draw a small circle for the pupils, and then we'll fill those in black. Now from here, we're going to draw a straight angle line going across the top of the eyes for the hat. We'll start on the left, go up, and then out to right about there. And it'll bend the snout, going out and then over towards the right. Let's draw an oval for the snout, coming all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. And then along the inside, we draw two small circles for the nostrils. From the bottom of the snout, curve this down and then in. Let's go all the way back over towards the left side and draw the bottom of the head. We come all the way down, round out the head, go across, and just tuck that up underneath the snout. Over on the bottom left, let's draw a small circle for the cheek. And then we'll move over and draw the top edge of the mouth with a curve, coming down and then up. Move back over towards the left, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then back up. Let's trace the mouth along the inside, starting with the top. Go back to left, trace the bottom of the mouth. And we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now I want to go back up to the top and draw on the hat. From these 2 points, we're just going to draw a bracket going around and then in. Going up towards the top of the hat brim. And then from the top, draw another straight line going across. Let's go back over towards the left side and draw a half circle going up toward the top of the hat and then back down. And then along the top center, draw a small circle. Now we're going to move back down and draw in the scarf. Let's start on the left side of the head, bend this around towards the bottom, go up on the right side, and just tuck that in. Now I want to extend the arms going up and out. Starting from the side of the scarf, go up and out with a straight angled line. Flatten off the end with an angled line coming down and then out. Let's pull this back down and then in towards the side of the body. Now from the bottom of the arm, let's curve the body going out and then down towards the bottom of the coat. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. In the center of the body, let's draw a straight line coming down. And then over on the left side, we draw two circles, one on the top and then one on the bottom. Let's draw the bottom of the scarf. We're going to move over, bend this out and then down. Flatten this off with a straight line going out toward the left. And it'll follow that same curve going up and then in. Let's add some tassels across the bottom with these short lines. Now we're going to go back up to the arms and draw on the mitts. Let's start from the top corner of the wrist, go up towards the thumb and then down. Let's go back over towards the left side, draw the outside of the hand. Go all the way around and just pull that in towards the bottom of the wrist. Now let's go back down and draw on the boots. We're going to leave a gap in the center and draw two lines. Starting over on the left, draw a straight line going out. Let's line this up over on the right side. Now on the left side of each line, come down towards the heels with a straight line. Then on the left, draw a straight line coming across. Let's round up the edge of the boot, coming back in, and pull that straight up towards the top of the boot. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Going out, round up the toe, coming in, and then back up. Let's attach the body to the boots with two lines across the middle on either side. Now over on the left side, we're gonna add in the tail. Let's start from the bottom, bend this out and up, come down and then out. Let's trace that curl on the outside. So we'll step down, going out, go around, and pull that out. Follow that curve going out towards the tip of the tail, and I'll just trace this back in. Now let's go in and add some color. Let's start with this light pink for the skin. And once we finish coloring this in, we'll be sure to sign our artwork. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color Peppa Pig. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.